This is the intro to my channel. I call it the American dream is a fucking nightmare. I know that nobody wants to hear anyone complain about their lives, nor do they want to hear anyone brag. So, in an effort to bring you context at Thorough Hustle about the rural hustle, I give you this trailer without the shit that nobody wants to hear. My name is Joe, and I used to have a pretty good life, or at least a well-structured one. Structured for what is the question that I would frequently ask myself as time went on. What I mean is, I had a job that paid me $50,000 year plus bonuses that left me with no time to spend it. I was living in my second home with a second mortgage that I literally only got to sleep in. Oh, and mow the grass and shovel the snow. We had new cars in the driveway that only transported us to hell and back. And worst of all, I had a son that was being raised by daycare or anyone who was willing to have him in their life that much. I missed his first steps, and did you get to teach him how to ride a bike or catch a ball or anything? I had pictured for myself and him and our relationship as father and son. For the longest time, I allowed myself to believe that's what I was supposed to do, and that's how it's supposed to be. I mean, wow, this is what the good life is supposed to feel like. And for a lot of us, it is. I worked in a place that employed 2,500 people that all had lives just like mine, shitty ones. I quickly started to hate myself, and my life, and my job. But then I got hurt, and I lost all that shit that had me anchored down to the hell I had created for myself and my family. The American dream was a nightmare, and there wasn't any end to it in sight. Honestly, I know that this must resonate with so many people out there, and I'm just saying what nobody else is. Even though there has been tremendous hardship, I have found clarity and the solution. For me, it started by watching videos like the ones I'm creating for you guys and adding to this channel. It's about empowering people like myself and anyone else that wants to help themselves. People on disability or welfare or retired and want to subsidize their fixed income. I'm currently waiting for Social Security to make a disability decision, and I'm living on general assistance. And SNAP, and whatever I create for myself. It's actually really rewarding, even when it pays nothing. And interesting, diverse, and sometimes complicated at first, but not breaking my back 9 to 5 complicated. More like, ah shit, that's a tough one. I better make a sandwich and come back to it. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and never getting ahead? Are you on a fixed income and $900 a month just do it for you and your preferred lifestyle? In these videos, we'll explore the world of AI side hustles, content creation, digital products, marketing, niches, planners, trackers. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time employee, this video will show you how to leverage these resources to increase your income and achieve financial freedom. We will discover what these products are, where to sell them, how to create them. You name it, we are going to try and profit from it. From AI-powered freelancing to automated online businesses, we'll dive into the top opportunities that can help you earn an extra income stream. Thanks for watching The Rural Hustle. Don't forget to like and subscribe.